Yeah, so anyway, so like I said, I bought these Gosky binoculars to actually locate my drone when, you know, it's flying. Sometimes I can't see it. So anyway, here's the Gosky. Actually, I love them. If this was my first pair of binoculars, man, I would have been pleasantly surprised at the price and the quality. Here's my Nikons that I bought years ago, and as you can see, the Gosky is just as tall as the Nikons, but folded in, they're more compact. So I actually thought from the picture in Amazon that these would be smaller, but guess what? I love them, and I'm going to keep them. They're compact enough, you know. I ride my motorcycle and I put my drone in my backpack, and the drone actually has a small bag itself, so the drone goes into the backpack, and these fit in the backpack, and I ride the motorcycle with the backpack on my back, and it's not too heavy. So these are nice. These are a beautiful binocular. They have a couple of features such as these raised eye cups, and they also gave me a phone attachment that I could attach my phone and take pictures. And I mean, the view through these things are crystal clear. I did a little bird watching with them, and it's a beautiful binocular. I'm not mad that it's not as small as I thought it would be. But if you're looking for something more compact, yeah, you would. I don't think you would get the focal length anyway with anything more compact. These are 8x42, man. I'm seeing pretty far with these. Okay, anyway, that's my review.